when I am plotting points, let's make sure we know the terms here and we know how to do this. Okay, so let's say I have a point like this. Let's make it nice and big so we can, right? There's a point like this. It's two numbers. This number is called the x-coordinate. This is the x-coordinate. It's always on the left side. And this number tells us where to go left and right. If I'm graphing a point, this tells me, am I going to go right? Am I going to go left? How many spaces? And if it's negative, I go to the left. And if it's positive, I go to the right. And this number over here is called the y-coordinate. And this tells me, where do I go up and down? Right? And if it's positive, I go up. And if it's negative, I go down. Okay? So just to put this into action here, we're just going to sketch a quick coordinate plane. And when you sketch it, just make 4 lines like this. We're just going to make 4 lines in each direction. So you can just have a couple of kind of examples here as you are getting to work on this, right? So if I have point A, let's say this is -3, 2. The x-coordinate is -3. That tells me, okay, I'm going to start here. I'm going to go to the left 3 because the x-coordinate is negative. So I'm going left 3. And then this tells me to go up 2. So point A would be right here. Okay, would look like that. Point B, let's say point B was 2 and -1, something like that. This would tell me to go to the right 2, right? Notice this time the x-coordinate is positive, so I'm going to go to the right. This time the y-coordinate is negative. That's going to tell me to go down. So I'm going to go 2 and down 1. That looks like this. And then let's just talk about a couple special cases right here. If I have, let's say, 0, 0, we know that point lands right here at the origin. That's point C right there. And sometimes where people get tripped up is if there's a 0 like this in one of the coordinates. So this tells me if the x-coordinate is 0, that tells me, hey, start here, don't go left or right, only go up 3. So point D would be 1, 2, 3 right here. Okay, it's a common mistake to put it here, but careful, that would be 3, 0. This is 0, 3. And point E, now this time the 0 is going to be in the y-coordinate, and this tells me go, let's see, it's the x-coordinate, it tells me go left 2. So I'm going to start here, and point E would be right here. So you have a couple examples there. Okay, so pause the video and copy if you're still catching up, but that's all you need to know.